Welcome to another video clip of MrLopezClasses.com. This is a lab, the lab number 1 of our course of marine and diesel engines. The course of diesel engines is a long course. It's the course related with the book, Marine Diesel Engines. In this course we have 17 chapters. It's a long course. For that reason it's divided in two sections, Diesel 1 and Diesel 2. In the course of Diesel 1, we are going to disassemble a diesel engine complete. We are going to put on the table all the parts of a diesel engine, like this, in an organized form. We are going to be organized step by step. You need to follow the recommendation of your instructor to disassemble that engine. Take care with the bolts, the screws, the gaskets, everything in Ziploc bags properly organized. This is the recommendation. We are going to disassemble the engine, but we are going to disassemble the engine in the course number 1 step by step. Each step is one lab. For that reason, in the lab number 1, we are going to do the process to remove the head and repair the cylinder head. Now we are going to talk about that. In the course number 2, we are going to analyze special systems like the lubrication systems, the raw water system, the cooling system. We are going to analyze the lubrication systems. We are going to check the path of the oil and how the oil is lubricating all the internal part of the engine, the function of the oil pump. We are going to take a sample of the oil and we are going to analyze the oil in the laboratory. We are going to take the sample of the oil and send the sample to the laboratory in order to receive the report of the analysis. And with that report, we are going to use our poster, this poster, wonderful poster about the analysis of the oil sample. With that analysis, depending on the content of each mineral, each metal, we can take decisions. Oh, the problem is on the piston rings, the problem is on the head, the problem is on the turbo, the problem is on the oil cooler, because you have high level of chromium or high level of titanium or high level of aluminum or high level of, depending on the metal dispersed in the sample, and the content of that sample is the problem. This is a great laboratory. In the chapter dedicated to the analysis of the coolant, we are going to do the same. We are going to take a sample of coolant and we are going to send the sample of coolant to the laboratory and we are going to receive the report of the coolant, and we are going to use our table of the coolant sample analysis. Yes, we are going to analyze what happened if we have a high content of boron or calcium or sodium in the coolant sample. And we are going to take decision. What is the element that I need repair? What is the cause? What is the symptom? What is the consequence? Exactly the same like with the oil, we are going to do the same with coolant. And also, we are going to analyze the codes, the different type of codes in the computer, the OBD2 codes. And we are going to use the table of the codes, our table, the poster of the code. You found those posters in my webpage, right? You enter in the section posters, and you have a lot of posters and excellent drawing that I have over there. Yes, you can buy those posters over there. All right, in that section we are going to analyze the code. The idea is that you try to solve it, you try to clean those codes without the scanner. Yes, of course, in some cases you need a scanner because it's a problem that is a specific problem that is not easy identify only with the color of the smoke, only with the temperature, only with this. No, you need more information, and the scanner is a way too. But the majority of the troubleshooting, you don't need the scanner. You only need the brain, you need the table, you need the oil sample analysis, the coolant sample analysis, and if you have clear the concepts, you can solve it 99% of those codes. All right, this is Diesel 2. Diesel 2 is nice. It's basically troubleshooting. All right, this is our course of Diesel. No, it's wonderful. And in the lab number 1, we are going to remove the head. Of course, to remove the head, we need to remove the accessories, alternator, start motor, bell housing, the turbocharger, and the timing cover in front, the compressor, a lot of elements that you need to remove in order to get access to the head and remove the head. And we are going to remove the head, and with the head outside, we are going to clean the head professionally with mineral spirit, or with a special material. In each country, you use different materials. Clean the head, and we are going to analyze the head. We are going to use the MagnaFlux or the dye penetrant in order to verify if the head is cracked. This is wonderful. And after that, we are going to remove the springs, remove the seals, remove the valves, and clean the head completely. And after that, we are going to put in back the valves and seat the valves. We are going to seat the valves with the drill or with your hand. That's depend on your preference. Talk with your instructor, and we are going to verify if the valves are properly seated in each place. We are going to check if you have leaks with a little amount of gasoline, because gasoline is volatile and is penetrant. And we are going to verify if we have leaks through the exhaust manifold or through the intake manifold. That's the process, exactly that process. The process to verify if you have leaks. All right. And after that, we are going to put in back the springs using the clamp, the compressor for the springs. We are going to put the seals, and this is the project number 1. We are going to work with the head. I hope you enjoy this project.